The average American spends over $200 every month on food delivery, but says they're too broke to start a business. And that right there is the trap keeping millions of people stuck for life. Because in 2026, starting a business has never been cheaper, but most people still wait. They wait for the perfect time, the perfect idea, more money, more confidence, and years later, they're still scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m., wondering why everyone else is winning. But today, that changes because these are 10 real businesses you can start with less than $100. Some people started these businesses from their bedrooms and now make more than doctors. But that's not even the craziest part. Number 10 might completely change how you think about money forever. So stay till the end. Let's start with something almost nobody takes seriously at first: content clipping. Sounds boring, right? Until you realize people are getting paid thousands of dollars just to cut long videos into short clips. That's it. Take podcasts, add captions, add music, post on TikTok, Shorts, Instagram. And suddenly, creators start paying you monthly. One guy in Texas started doing this on his old laptop after school. No fancy editing degree, no connections. Just CapCut, consistency, and Wi Fi. Within 6 months, he was making over $4,000 a month. And this is where everything changed. Because he realized something most people never understand. Rich people don't always work harder, they just find problems businesses already want solved. Startup cost? Basically zero. CapCut Pro? Maybe Canva? Under $30. Next, pressure washing. Now, before you skip this thinking it's too simple, listen carefully. Americans spend billions every year making their homes look clean. And people are lazy. That's business. A teenager in Florida borrowed his uncle's pressure washer, knocked on doors for one weekend, and made 700 in 2 days. Meanwhile, most people spend 2 days binge watching Netflix feeling unmotivated. See the difference? One person used embarrassment as fuel, the other used comfort as an excuse. And that's the dangerous thing about comfort: it slowly destroys ambition. Now, here's one almost nobody saw coming: digital products, templates, Notion planners, fitness PDFs, resume designs, study guides. You create it once, and people can buy it forever. Imagine waking up and seeing money hit your phone while you sleep. That's why digital businesses exploded after 2020. A college student made a simple budgeting spreadsheet for Etsy. Nothing fancy, but relatable. Clean design, simple instructions. Last year, she reportedly made over six figures selling spreadsheets. Spreadsheets? Meanwhile, people still think success requires investors and suits. No, sometimes it requires a laptop and consistency. But wait, what happened next shocked everyone. AI completely changed the game, and now there's a business almost anyone can start: AI services. Businesses are desperate for social media captions, blogs, thumbnails, ads, email writing, and most owners don't understand AI tools. You can literally learn one AI tool this week and start charging local businesses next week. Crazy part? Most clients don't care how you do the work. They care about results. That's it. And the startup cost? Under 50, sometimes free. But here's the scary reality: most people watching this video will never even try. Not because they can't, because they're scared of looking stupid. And fear has destroyed more dreams than failure ever did. Now let's talk about something incredibly underrated: mobile car detailing. Because rich people love convenience, and convenience prints money. Instead of opening an expensive car wash, you go to them. One bucket, basic supplies, vacuum, cleaning products, under $100 to start. And if you can make someone's dirty car look brand new, you instantly become valuable. One customer becomes three, three becomes 10, and suddenly your weekends are fully booked. This is exactly how small businesses grow, not overnight, but faster than most people imagine. Now, here's where things get interesting: flipping free furniture. Yes, free. People throw away couches, desks, chairs, shelves every single day. Some need cleaning, some need paint. That's it. One man started flipping furniture from Facebook Marketplace using his garage. First month, 300 profit, then 800, then over 5,000 in a single month. Why? Because most people see trash. Entrepreneurs see opportunity. And that mindset difference, that changes your entire financial future. Next business: photography with a smartphone. Now, before you laugh, modern phones shoot insanely good video. Restaurants need photos. Gyms need content. Real estate agents need reels. Businesses are starving for attention online. And attention is money now. One girl started filming short restaurant videos for local businesses. She charged just $50 at first. Within a year, she quit her retail job because once businesses see customers walking in from your content, they keep paying you. But that's not the craziest business on this list. The next one is exploding quietly behind the scenes. Newsletter businesses. Simple emails, that's it. You pick a niche people obsess over: fitness, crypto, business news, celebrity drama, then send valuable emails daily. As your audience grows, companies pay to advertise inside your newsletter. Some newsletter owners make millions yearly from emails. Think about that. Most people ignore email. Smart people build empires with it. Now let's talk about the business with almost zero startup cost: freelancing, writing, design, video editing, voiceovers, website setup. People underestimate freelancing because it feels small, but small skills create massive income over time. A freelancer earning just $200 per client only needs 5 clients monthly to hit $1,000, then 3,000, then 10,000, and suddenly they realize their side hustle makes more than their full-time job. And this is exactly why schools rarely teach entrepreneurship, because employees keep systems running, but business owners build freedom. Now we're at the final business, and honestly, this one created more millionaires than almost any business in history: personal branding. You, your story, your journey, your opinions, your content. The internet rewards attention. If people trust you, you can sell almost anything: courses, products, services, communities, and the craziest part, you can start for free. One camera, one voice, one message. That's all it takes. But most people never start because they think nobody cares. Meanwhile, somebody less talented, less smart, and less prepared started anyway and won. That's the difference. Not talent, action. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. You are one skill away from changing your entire life, one decision away from escaping survival mode, but comfort is expensive. Distraction is expensive. Waiting is expensive. The people who build wealth early usually aren't the smartest people in the room. They just start before they feel ready. And years later, everyone calls them lucky. So if you're watching this right now, take one idea from this video, just one, and start today. Because 1 year from now, you'll either wish you started or be grateful you did. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos about money, psychology, business, and financial freedom. And comment below, what business would you start with 100?